Oh, there we go. We are looking at the box and whisker practice problems from yesterday. Okay, so now I have to do an average. I have to figure out what's exactly in the middle between 25 and 29. Oh, I can do that one in my head. What's in the middle between those two?
27.5.
No, you don't even need the 0.5. Add those two up, divide by 2. 27 is going to be exactly in the middle. Okay, if you can't see this, you find an average between two numbers. It was easy to see the number between. This, I was able to do that in my head. These two were the exact same number, so it's just going to be that number. Okay? Sometimes you actually land on a number. It's like the middle point. Depends on whether you have odd or even data set. Okay? So now we take this and put it on a little tiny box and whisker plot here. They give us the numbers on top. They already give us the scale. So then I go, I need one at 1. I need one at 6. I need a dot at 10. Thank you. I need one at 27. And I need one at 30. Okay, so here's the scale. They've given it to us. Here's my 5 dots for the first data set. I'm going to have to do the same exact thing for the second. This has been having trouble coming back to life after vacation, too. The Apple TV.
She probably thought Apple TV summer students.
Yeah, that would go. See who's gonna do better?
Yeah.
That's on that.
Yeah, yeah.
Wait, when is he going to rehab?
We are off topic here, so. There we go. All right. Are you with me? Here's our 5 numbers. Hello? They come from these numbers, dividing up our data set into quarters. You leave the 2 end ones, those are going to be your whiskers, and you take the middle 3 and you make a box around them. The second one in from this side, that's one end of your rectangle. The second one in from this side, that's the other end. This is the median. You put a little line right there. For the whiskers, you put a straight line out and a tiny line. Straight line out and a tiny line. So that's one of my data sets. Okay, now they wanted you to do the same thing for the second data set. It would involve lining up the numbers. I'm going to get help from friends out there. Who knows the 5 numbers that I need for the second data set? Some people have this done already, yes? Anybody? Nobody?
Number 8.
Number 8, the second data set.
Yeah, I needed
Okay.
The second one or the second cube?
The second set. Okay, so here we go. Second set, we got to do the work over again. We start with a 1. I see an 8. Ah, what the heck?
Much Martian. Apple TV just wants to watch
It's
movies
all
and
about that
sleep.
little boy.
Just wants to straight up. Great.
Okay, cool. Let's work quickly while we have it. I've got a 1, I've got an 8. Oh, I missed a 6. I got to go ahead and sneak a 6 in. 16, 17, 18, 19. Uh-oh, I missed a 14. Sneak a 14 in there. 26, 25, 27. 25, 26, 27. Am I still up there on the wall?
Kind of.
32 and 37. Oh, and a 28.
You froze again.
You froze so
Come
hard.
on, never mind. You're back.
43, 48. Okay, I'm going to put that up higher. You can't. Ah! Okay, so here I go. Old school.
Oh.
Oh no, there it is. Sneak it in real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't know how many numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay.
Late sheet. Oh, there you go. Back in. Yeah. Hands there. And smooth your hands into
All right. Okay, so
Magnet.
camera. Take a picture. Maybe that'll just be easier. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4 this way. 4 that way. All right. Here's min. Here's 16.5. That's Q1. What's the average of these two numbers? Add them up. Divide by 2. Come on.
22,
22. Average of these two numbers.
30.
30. And then 48.
Yeah.
Okay. So on that little tiny scale, they wanted you to do it in the same spot. We'll see if this thing will come back. It won't. Or what, did it go by 5s? Ah, there it is. Can we do it real quick? One. 16.5. 22, 30, and 48. Box the middle 3, line for the median, 1 whisker here, 1 whisker there.
Frozen.
Okay. I wonder if it's my Wi-Fi or the
Wi-Fi.
if it's the Wi-Fi or if it's the Apple TV.
I think it's the Wi-Fi. It's my phone slow.
No, it's the person in our class.
I was just glitching my
It's
paper.
the person in the 8th grade class in West Florida.
Oh, you guys you bring technology glitches with you?
Yeah, that happened since 7th grade. But it's fine whenever we're out of the classroom. But I want to learn. I can't hear.
Okay, here it is. Very quick. Look real fast. This is what they want you to do. A lot of times you'll take two data sets, and they want you to put them on the same scale or next to the same scale, because then you can compare. Okay? What do you notice about this one versus that one? What kind of conclusions could we draw? Yes? Both symmetric. Okay? What about the size of this rectangle versus that rectangle? What about the sizes? What does it mean when the rectangle's small? Data is close together. What does it mean when a rectangle's big? Data is spread apart. Okay. One thing, let's see, how'd you do on the back side of this?
I did using 9 and 10 computers.
No, we're not skipping it. But I'll help you with it, but I don't know the best way. Hold this paper. Hold on to this paper, set aside for a minute. Okay. Did you guys do favorite numbers? Did you guys do, I hear there was a survey.
You should know how many pets.
Okay. Oh, that's that. Let's leave that there. I'm going to see. No, I'll just, again, maybe it's just better to go old school for a little bit. Because this is bugging me. Where could you write this down? Here we go. Yes. Can you give everybody a piece of paper? Molly, can you give everybody a piece of paper? Okay.
Oh, it's scratch paper.
Scratch paper. Folks, think of a number between 1 and 30. 1 and 30. Think of it in your head. No, Andy, I would like you to be quiet. Think of a number between 1 and 30. Think of a number between 1 and 30. Thumbs up when you got a number. It's not a guessing game.
Okay.
Molly, what's your number? 24. Thank you. Tony.
7.
Brian.
7.
Oscar.
4.
Christopher.
14.
Chris V.
19.
Lana.
23.
Andy.
20.
Imogen.
24.
Myra. Jackie.
18.
Christian.
21.
Wyatt.
29.
And my number is going to be 3. Okay? Write those down, please, on that piece of paper. Title it. I don't know if we should call it favorite number. Number pick. Good. There we go.